Okay, today we're going to have a bit of a chat about monomeric vinyl. It's a type of self-adhesive vinyl. Signmaster currently stocks a couple of different brands of monomeric vinyl from Metamark and Intercoat, and we're just going to have a bit of a discussion about them. So what is monomeric vinyl? It's a type of self-adhesive vinyl, or S.A.V for short. Comes in a variety of different thicknesses, brands. You can have different adhesive strengths on the back and different levels of blockout colour on the back as well. So, monomeric versus polymeric vinyl. Let's start at the beginning with the word. Monomeric, mono equals one, only, single. Whereas poly equals many. Now this is in regards to the amount of plasticizers used to create the finished vinyl. Plasticizers are used to improve the flexibility of PVC, reduce brittleness, and the biggest challenge of all, stop it from shrinking so much. So with your monomeric films with less plasticizers in them, it tends to shrink more, it's suitable for flat, short-term applications, has a 2 to 5 year outdoor durability, and is more economically priced. Whereas the polymeric has more plasticizers, so there's less shrinkage, it can handle curves, mild to soft curves, has a 5 to 7 year durability, and is slightly more expensive. So what can monomeric vinyl be used for? Pretty much the same things polymeric vinyl can be used for. Because of its nature, it is better suited to stickers and labels, indoor signage such as these, health and safety signs, vinyl cut lettering, both mounted to boards or directly to the wall. Again, more suited to indoors because of its shelf life. Indoor signage boards, these ones are on foam board I believe, and outdoor signage, but you just have to be aware it won't last quite as long as polymeric vinyl would. So before you pick your vinyl, best to ask these 3 questions to your customer. Is the finished sign or sticker intended for indoor or outdoor use? How long do they want it to last? And are they on a budget, or are they happy to pay more for a premium, more long-lasting product? They should give you your answers. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in monomeric vinyl, check out the Signmaster website or give us a call.